Hey guys, it's Beauty14. I hope you guys are all doing very well today. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video from a company called Pride Apparel. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this item all by myself with my own money. But no further ado, if you guys are wondering why I purchased this item from Pride Apparel, pretty much I have just been on the lookout for purchasing items that show my pride and my black pride, and just like me being proud of my ethnicity, especially because it is Black History Month, and I kind of wanted to purchase something from a black company that I can just know that I can just kind of like support my my people, if you know what I mean. So I'm pretty sure you guys know what I mean. You guys support your people, and I am proud to be black, so I definitely wanted to support my black community with my black companies out there. So I did some research and I found this company called Pride Apparel, and just a little background, they have so many cute clothes on their company, their website. They have a whole bunch of t-shirts, crop tops, sweatshirts, hats, mugs, all of that have really great quotes on it, really great sayings if you are proud to be black, and I'm just so excited. No further ado, I'm talking way too much, but I have not opened this up yet, and I got this today and I did not even take a peek, so let's open it right up and I'm going to show you guys what I got, and I might even try it on for you guys as well. Okay, so just by looking at it, I am super excited. This is what it looks like. It comes in this little white bag, and then it comes in with another clear bag. And if you guys are wondering what I got the dipped in chocolate sweatshirt in light pink, and it was $36. It was originally like $35, but if you take off $4 and plus tax, it comes out to $36 or whatever, because they were having a sale when I purchased it, and I'm so excited to open this. Oh my gosh, I love the color light pink. Pink is my favorite color, so I'm so excited. Ooh, okay. Alright. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and oh my gosh, I'm obsessed already. Like, oh my gosh, it says dipped in chocolate, as it says, and it's just a light pink color. They have so many other colors, if you guys haven't known, and the quality of this is so great, and I just love the quote on it. It says dipped in chocolate, Pride Apparel at the bottom of it, and I'm obsessed. I'm not really a sweatshirt type of person, but like, this is so cute. The quality is so soft, and the inside it has this really nice cotton material, and oh, I'm obsessed with it. I cannot wait to wear it. So they also have one that says dipped in caramel, and they have one that says Bae, B-A-E, but black and educated, and they have a whole bunch more, but oh, it's so pretty. I cannot wait to wear this with some ripped jeans and some boots. I love the saying, and I love like how cute it is. Dipped in chocolate, like I'm dipped in chocolate, hello. And they also have one, like I said, dipped in caramel. So if you are black but you are lighter skinned, you can get the dipped in caramel one. And I'm obsessed with this. It's so gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear it. So no further ado, I'm obsessed with my sweatshirt. I didn't get anything else. I will be purchasing more stuff off of their website because this quality is so nice and so soft, so I cannot wait to wear it. There's also this other sweatshirt that I saw that was like, what was the name of it? What did it say on it? It was like, got melanin. Instead of like got milk, it said got melanin, you know? So I'm definitely going to be purchasing that one. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please check out myprideapparel.com if you guys want to purchase some things. They have so many cute items and so many cute like sweatshirts and stuff on there if you want to represent your blackness, and if you are proud to be black, definitely hit this like button and definitely check out their website because it's good to support other people's businesses, and if you are Black, it's good to support our own kind. It is great to support everyone's own kind, like not only Black people, but since this is Black History Month, let's just celebrate and just, you know, lift each other up, if you know what I mean. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Swish, swish, bish.